Hello everyone! Today we're unboxing the IP250UHD TX transmitter and IP250UHD RX receiver from Blustream. The transmitter transmits HDMI video sources over a 1 GB managed network from the transmitter to the receivers. The UHD Multicast distribution platform allows virtually latency-free distribution of 4K HDMI and a built-in Dante interface for integrating with audio systems. A simple configuration via a web interface on ACM200, which is the Advanced Control Module for Multicast Video over IP, can be done as well. With multiple configuration options available, the Multicast solution is ideal for both commercial and residential installations. For more information about the IP250UHD, please click on the link below. Thank you for watching.